Green Sturgeon broodstock project started back in 1999 in collaboration with the Yurok Indian Tribe. And they provided us with wild caught fish from their fishery. And once the tribe captured these fish, they would call us and say, oh, we have a couple of fish for you to check. And technically these fish still belong to them. And we transport them to Davis and we spawn them. The fish that we sampled today were actually the offspring of those females from 1999. So they were, anywhere from 15 to 18 years old. Sturgeon are very unique in that the individual females have to be carefully monitored on an individual basis, so they're all tagged. We will sample these eggs and assess them in the laboratory to see what their final stage of maturity is. In the sturgeon, the nucleus migrates from the middle of the egg to the top of the egg. And once it gets very close to the top of the egg, that means she's ready to spawn, because they can only be induced to spawn at a very certain stage of development. We will sample the eggs, look at the egg size, and look at the stage of maturity. And once they reach the proper stage, and we schedule the spawning induction out there. And we actually do a unique process called tank spawning of sturgeon, which is, as far as I know, we're the only ones in the world that do this technique. And the female will be put into a tank with 2-3 males. We just collect the eggs off the bottom of the tank every 3-4 hours and then incubate those eggs until they hatch. We found it's the least invasive and they survive very well during the post-handling and post-spawning.